Hello viewers, I am Dr. Dilip Kumar Bhagwani, speaking to you on the E-Conceptual Platform. I am a pediatrics teacher. I will cover you the General Pediatrics, Subspecialty as well as Neurology. I have done my MBBS from Maulana Medical College, passed in 1985, and I got first rank in MBBS as well as MD. I pursued MD Pediatrics from MMC and completed in 1989. Thereafter, I joined the government job, government health services. There I served for more than 32.5 years. And I have been associated with National Board of Examination for last 20 years for the theory exams as well as practical exam. 17 students had done DNB under my guidance, and they have successfully spread all over the India. They are now themselves are professors and consultant in super specialty hospital or in United Kingdom. I am feel very proud for them. I learn from my students also. Learning is a continuous process. Every day we have to learn, and some things we have to unlearn also and relearn. It's a continuous process. Medical science is a changing science. And the E-Conceptual has given me the platform of pediatrics. And whatever the topics or subjects allotted to me, I'll deliver my best to you. And that's talk always will be in the case-based, scenario-based or MCQ-based. That will clear your concepts of pediatrics, whether it is general pediatrics, subspecialty or neonatology. Because I have a 14 years of NICU experience as in charge NICU. And I have published 3 protocols of NICU. Edition 1 in 2015, then second edition 2016, and third edition in 2017. I conducted workshop on neonatal and pediatric ventilation workshop in collaboration with Gangaram Hospital. As and when the opportunity comes to me, I grab it, try to share whatever I have with me, and I'll deliver to you also. That I'm very thankful to E-Conceptual Platform for inviting me for the pediatric talks, and I honestly saying I'll do my level best to clear your concepts, and learning always will be case-based scenarios and MCQ-based scenarios. Thank you very much, E-Conceptual Platform. Thank you very much once again for inviting me and giving me subjects which I have already delivered. I suppose the students and viewers will like the subject, they will enjoy, the concepts will be clear. That is the sole purpose, to clear the concepts. Therefore, I am speaking from E-Conceptual. With these words, I close my talk. Thank you very much.